Hi, my name is Aslam Mullah. I'm a specialist labor lawyer, and today I'm going to share with you my step by step guide on how I prepare for a CCMA case. Step number one, preliminary issues. These are issues that can stop your case from progressing on technical grounds, like jurisdiction. That means, should you go to the CCMA, bargaining council, labor court? Check your payslip for that. Did you fill in the form correctly and on time? Conciliation is to see if the case can be settled or not. Usually, lawyers are not allowed in the room, so I make sure I prep my clients properly. The commissioner wants to see if the case can be settled or not. If it can't be settled, it goes to arbitration. Arbitration is where you need to be prepared. You need to focus on your opening statement, what questions you're going to ask the company witnesses, your testimony, your closing arguments, and your bundle of documents. Every time you are prepping to your case, write out your version of events, exactly what happened. When you do your closing arguments, make sure you focus on mitigating factors. You will then get your ruling within 14 days of closing arguments. Prepping for a case can be very scary. It's something that you don't do often, and usually either the company is going to come with a lawyer or an employer organization. So it's an unequal position. So that's why we created Legal Leaders Insurance. This gives the power back to you as an employee, and not only get cover for CCMA, labor court, but also things like access to labor law school, access to counseling services. To find out more, send us a message.